Morning guys, another day. Let's try this again, shall we? Continuation from my Mondeo fiasco yesterday. Today we've got in an 09 plate VAUXHALL Astra diesel. Customer complaint is it's got a squeaky belt and some knocking noises from underneath. So let's have a listen. I've got to say, I did look at this quickly when I was outside yesterday, so I do know what the problem is, but I'll show you along the lines. Right, let's start the car up. Well, I don't know if you could see that, but what it is actually is the alternator pulley on the bottom. The pulley's riding up and down the alternator shaft, causing the belt to chafe and squeak. So let's go underneath and have a look. Alright, got the wheel off. Right, let's have a quick look underneath here so we can see. That off. Well, it was a bit easier to see earlier. The pulley was actually wandering up and down the shaft. Let's get some light in here somewhere. Yeah, this pulley here was wandering up and down the shaft. You can see it quite plainly. And it's causing the inside edge of the belt to chafe away. I'm also suspect about this idler. It looks a bit rough and ready when it's running, but we'll get it off and we'll have a look. Right, now we have the belt off, we can see a bit more of what we're doing here. I'll shine some light up there so you can see what we're looking at here. See this pulley here? And let's go into the focus. Focus, there we go. I reckon that will probably just... That is what's giving all the noise. And it slips around like that. You can hold the centre shaft still. Oh, well and truly gone. I thought while I was at it at the same time, I've also taken off the tensioner. The tensioner has a bit of play in it there as well, and so does the pulley, and so does the idler pulley. It's hard to see with one hand. A bit of slop in that one as well, so we're going a new idler and a new tensioner as well as a new alternator. Okay, we're back. The alternator's off, and so just show you a close-up of this if we can get it to focus. There we go. It doesn't turn, it doesn't grip the in shaft at all. As good as a chocolate teacup, that is. Right, just got to wait for the next one. Parts ordered will be in a couple of hours, which will be seconds to you. See you in a bit. Right, about 4 hours later, no, I tell a lie, about 3 hours later, here we have one nice new alternator. Lovely jubbly. And also in the box we have one new belt. And see what else we got here. We have, there we go. Oh. Can't do this one-handed. Hang on, there we go. One new idler bearing, lovely jubbly. And oh, look at that, look. One new idler, tensioner. Right, now to reassemble. Right, so there we are, all installed again. Nice new alternator, new tensioner and new idler. And a nice new belt. Just got to connect the alternator up to the main battery feed and give it a whirl. Right, we're all back together. That's the view from the top. I don't know if you can see that. Let's get some light down there. Can't really see a lot down there. It's a bit close, isn't it? Oh, there you go. Can you see that? Right, battery terminal's on. We're all ready to roll. Let's turn the key and see what happens. Hopefully no more squeak. Oh, okay, let's get the key. Perfect. As Leon would say, sorted. Lovely jubbly. Right. Whack the wheel on and we're all done. Right, one last check. Just to make sure it's all charging okay. 14.29, lovely jubbly. Everyone's a winner. Right, customers would have been on the phone to see whether it's done already. Don't give you a lot of time, do they? So I'm going to box this one up, ship it out, and on with the next one. Catch you guys later.